All right, Mel, you ready?
Sure.
Okay, let's teach people how to create a contact group. Do you ever use contact groups?
You know, I did in Outlook. I had a whole bunch of distribution lists, and some of them I have updated, some of them I haven't, but like I've noticed in the last couple days when I've needed to do emails, I really wished I had made a new contact group.
So that brings up an important point that when we switch from Outlook over to Gmail this summer, all the contact groups people already have, because I know like office managers have a lot.
Yes.
Those are going to transfer over.
Right.
So don't worry that you're going to lose anything, but this is how you're going to update those or create new ones, right?
Yeah, it's super helpful.
Okay.
Because I mean, I will sit there and I will look at my list of emails and I will just add them one at a time, and I'm like, this is ridiculous.
And then you might forget someone.
I really should just make it easier for myself.
So let's look at how to make contact groups.
Okay.
Okay, so the first thing that's different is we want to think like it must be somewhere in the email box.
Right.
But it's not.
It's not.
What you're going to do anywhere, and Google has the waffle, Gmail has the waffle.
Making me hungry.
Anywhere in the waffle, you go to contacts.
Waffles.
So
sorry.
We're going to make, that's our group we're going to make, is people who would want waffles. Yes. So whenever we're going to waffles.
Put me in that group.
So what we're essentially doing is labeling contacts. So let me go to the whole directory.
Wait, did you show them how to get to that thing? It was from the waffle.
You were busy thinking
I'm
waffle.
So sorry, that is true. Contacts. Okay. Also, you can do contacts.google.com. You taught me that.
Right. So you can type in contacts.google.com.
Yes.
So the first thing we need to do is create a label. So I'm over here, and we're going to call it people who want...
Yes.
Actually, I'm going to make it easy because this is what I will type in.
Waffle people?
Yes. So that I can remember. Okay, so I have the label. So now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to search for you. I'm going to find you, and then I'm going to add a label. Here's the thing. Where do I do that? There we go.
Yes.
Okay, I'm checking waffle people.
Yes.
Okay, now I can see that you have that label.
Yes.
Who else might want to be a waffle people?
I'm
going to guess that Mandy Glover.
Yes.
Would want to be a waffle people, just so we can show this one more time. Yes. Okay, so I find her contact, I go to the 3 dots, and I check. Okay, now this is cool because if I had 3 or 4 different labels I had set up, I could check into as many different labels as I want.
Do you think Dave likes waffles?
Waffles are carbs? I'm guessing no.
Oh, he's so healthy.
If we had like a bacon group, that's the other group. Okay, this took a turn.
Sorry.
This took a turn. All right, so I could also, if I'm scrolling through here and I see someone, there are a lot of students in here. I know this will be cleaned up. Okay, let's say Raven. Now notice I'm hovering at Raven and I have the 3 dots over here.
Yes.
Where I can make Raven a waffle people too.
I love it.
Probably if there's some kind of like Hawaiian waffle, right?
Yes.
Okay. So
Pineapple
anyways,
waffles.
There's my group. Now if I click here, I can see who's in my group. If I ever wanted to, Melanie has sworn off waffles, I can come and unclick. All right? So we can edit. So that's what we do with labels in contacts. Now, here's what's cool. When I come back over to the inbox, I'm going to come here, I'm going to compose, and I'm going to start typing waffle, and look what comes up.
Yes.
My people.
I wonder, is there any way you can add a whole bunch of people at one time without having to search them one at a time and add them?
I don't know the answer to that. I don't know. I don't think so, because I think you'd have to find. But after the merge over the summer, that's something to play with.
Okay.
So I don't want to create duplicate lists right now. For things that I already have in Outlook, because the Outlook's going to just transfer it into a label. All right?
Yay.
So that's how it works. Now I can add people. I can go, oh, Mandy told me she's trying not to have waffles right now, and I can click the X and take her out. But it starts with that list. Okay. So once I've created the label over here, then I can come to email, and I can just type it into the 2. Does that make sense, right? Is there anything we left out?
I don't think so. I mean, maybe before we everybody transfers from Outlook to Google, another cleanup thing. Like they might want to check their distribution list, make sure they're accurate so they don't
move stuff over.
Yeah, so when they're nice and clean when they get to...
But in contacts, if you end up with something, it's really easy to throw the whole list away.
Yeah.
I'm going to leave this because it's going to make me laugh every time I see waffle people in my demo. All right? So that's basically creating a contact list. It's just important to remember that it's two separate things. It's the contacts page, and then you use it in the mail page.
Right.
All right? There we go.
All right.
All right, so thank you.
Thanks, Liz.